right behind me, as you can see, there is a waterfall and it's very noisy.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For you guys who are seeing me for the first time, this is Kionz here. I'm a filmmaker as well as a content creator. So what is going on? What are we doing today? We have all the GoPros here, which I have the latest GoPro 9 and GoPro 6 as well as the GoPro 4. Why are we putting them together? Is because I'm going to do a comparison of the audio capturing capability of the different GoPros, right? So I'm not attaching any kind of external mic. I'm just using the onboard microphone and do a test of each and every different version of the GoPro and see what is the improvisation of the GoPro 6 and 9, alright? So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button so that there will be more of this kind of video related to content creation, video creation that you won't miss in the future, alright? So without further ado, let's test the GoPros in the indoor environment first, okay? Okay, so right here we are doing the test in the indoor environment where this place is pretty much silent, and then I'm going to do one more test which I'm going to blast the fan fully and see what is the effect, right? Let's wait for it to spin. Right, there you go, okay? So now we're gonna test speaking to the GoPro mic with really strong wind blowing, okay? And you guys judge for yourself the quality on the GoPro 4, GoPro 6, as well as the GoPro Hero 9, alright? So that's the indoor silence and with fan blowing. Let's bring the camera out to a much more noisier place and try what is the quality of the audio is going to be like, right? Let's go. So this is the level 1 test where I have a very mini stream, water flowing behind of me, which is very subtle and slow water. And we can hear that there is water sound coming, but it's not that strong. So you guys can judge for yourself what is the quality for the GoPro 4, GoPro 6 and GoPro 9 in such a mini stream condition where the water sound is not so loud. And let's move on to the bigger one, shall we? Let's go. Okay guys, right here we are at the waterfall where we can hear water flowing sound, and what we're going to do here is to test 3 of the different GoPro and see how does the individual GoPro react and what is the audio quality of each and every GoPro. So I'm going to cut to this camera shortly. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so right behind me, as you can see, there is a waterfall and it's very noisy with the water flowing. And what you are listening here, right here, it's no external mic attached. It's purely just the GoPro mic, which is the GoPro 4, GoPro 6 and the GoPro 9. Alright, we are at a very noisy environment in a forest and there is a waterfall right here. So for now you can compare it for yourself. How does the GoPro 4, GoPro 6 and GoPro 9 onboard microphone quality is like, alright? Right guys, so what you have just seen earlier is the comparison of the different version of the GoPro in terms of the audio capturing capability, which is just using the onboard microphone, not attaching any other external microphone. And guys, there are some other reviews that I've done, particularly the underwater review of the GoPro Hero 9. The video link is described under the description as well as the card up here. And by the way guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so, and if this video really serves you well, do hit the share button so that more people can see this video and benefit from it. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.